You know what? You boys are really stupid. Even she knows what you are friends to her for, but you still keep on wasting your time with her. She is a woman. She is acting innocent just because you are hesitant in making your move. She is a woman. She won't ruin her image before you. Man, you are a man. It's you who will have to make your move. Tell her what you want. It's you who will have to take the chance and make your advancements. Because if you will not, she will take you as some weak gay man and put you in friend zone. What are you afraid of? Of just one no? Do you know there are literally 4 billion women in this world? Guys, you fear nothing. If she won't agree, then somebody else will. You have nothing to lose and all to gain. I mean, seriously, even if she doesn't agree, still just one move only will make you stand apart from all the other manginas who are licking her boot, who are so afraid of losing her, who has no courage of openly expressing what they want. In fact, do it quickly. Let her know about your feelings and wants in just 2-3 meetings only, because the more time you'll waste, the more attraction she will lose in you. Never let any woman get comfortable with you without getting physical with you. And don't ever think she is some innocent, pious angel from heaven who needs to be preserved. Be mean, very selfish, and treat her as another human who also have desires and urges. Even she wants love, but the problem is you acting innocent with her and treating her as pious angel is what is stopping her from acting naughty or mischievously to you. As I just told you, women don't like to take it on her. You are a man and she wants you to act like a man. Of course, you don't need to act like some creep jerk. Be a gentleman, but a bold and confident gentleman. Every woman desires a James Bond kind of smoothness and charisma in men. And don't ever think just because some woman says no to you, she doesn't like you or you are not a good enough man. Women many times have their own personal issues behind saying no to you, or when she rejects your proposal. Don't ever attach rejections to your own caliber and charisma and manhood. Just because some woman has said no to you, it doesn't make you any less of a man. In fact, not making a move is what shows your inconfidence, is what makes women take you as a weak man, is what actually kills her attraction in you. Moreover, being a man, you respect her decision. You accept her no gracefully and move away from her. You don't try to force her, buy her, try to negotiate. A true man don't believe in pushing a woman to love him. He also doesn't denounce a woman just because she has said no to his advances. And you also don't try to be her friends only to very smartly and gradually get into her pants someday. Guys, they are smarter than you. You know, women, they also know everything. They also know your tactics. They know all your tactics and they don't mind using oversmart guys. Learn to be very straightforward with women and stay very genuine. She may reject your proposal, but women never try to use genuine guys because your genuinity and straightforwardness generate some sort of respect in her for you. Guys, women respect bold and genuine guys. It's those oversmart guys she has no respect for and don't mind using, who act as her friends only, who act as a very nice guy, who pedestalize her, who lick her boots to eventually end up in her pants one day. Don't ever make any mistake of taking any woman as fool. It's you who are a fool to think she is a fool. She knows everything. She knows everything you know. She's living in the same world, watching same movies, watching same TV, watching same porn, listening same music. In fact, she comes to know about it all pretty earlier than us men. She reaches her puberty before we men reaches our puberty. Just because she does not want to be labeled in society, she stays in her grace and act innocent throughout. She knows how to be a woman. but you have forgotten how to be a man. She is expecting you to act as a man, but when you start acting like another woman with her, she loses her respect for you and start using and abusing you, making your fun, pulling your legs. Woman has no remorse for weak men. Guys, she already has one pussy. You do not need to become another. Actually, the problem is movies and TV have corrupted your mentality. They have programmed you to believe in one-itis. Some woman shows interest in you, turn you into her friend, and you start thinking that's it. That's the one. Here is a woman who will absolve me of all my sins, who will take away all my problems and boredom, and who will transcend me in heaven. You become too caring towards her and too cautious to lose her, which generates some sort of fear in you that what if she leaves me? What if she stops giving me her attention and time? What if she stops talking to me? And because of that, you become extra careful to not hurt her in any way, to not lose her in any way. Guys, you don't realize that there are a hell lot of hot women on this earth. This world is full of pretty girls. You do not need to attach yourself too much to just one woman. It's your mentality that you need to fix. You need to take yourself out of scarcity mindset and put you into abundance mindset. You need to make yourself aware of the fact that there are literally around 4 billion women in this world. And then there are you simping over just one girl, getting desperate for that only one girl, crying over one and feeling heartbroken just because you could not get that one. You men are really stupid. You don't have to make yourself suffer for something which is so sporadically available. In fact, the more desperation and emotions you show, the more you repel them away from you. The more cool and stoic you stay, the more you attract them. Extra caring that you show towards her actually annoys her. The more distant you stay, the more attraction. The more attraction you generate in her, the more you try to please her, the more respect she loses in you. The more boldness and confidence you show in your behavior, in your demeanor, in your action, the more attraction you generate in her. Guys, they are also looking for men, but not the weak ones, the strong ones, the smart ones, the ones who are sensible and who can maintain their calm. Being a man, you need to turn yourself into a cool, calm, a very confident, bold and strong being. No women like bootlickers, cowards. They all like men who holds value and self-respect, who are genuine and who are not afraid of standing for themselves. Guys, how a woman acts or behaves with you, a lot of it depends on you also. Women are like mirrors. You treat her like an innocent being, she will act innocent. You act mischievously to her, she will act mischievously to you. You treat her like your sister, she will treat you like her brother. You act as somebody she can share love with, she starts treating you as somebody she can share love with. And just because she is not with you, it doesn't always mean she doesn't like you. A woman can like you from a distance also. She may be not talking to you, maybe not coming to meet you, but it doesn't mean she doesn't like you. There are many other reasons which stop her from being with you. But if once you have been able to generate respect, admiration and attraction in her for you, she will keep on respecting you, admiring you and liking you from a distance also. There is nothing you need to feel bad for. As I have already told you previously in a video, it's not about getting sex from her, but more about maintaining your dignity in her eyes, and earning her respect. And guys, women never respect you for your timidness and over smartness. Women respect men for their boldness, confidence, straightforwardness, and for your genuinity. It's the alphas who get rewarded by her, while betas are left behind crying, sobbing, and repenting for not taking the chance, for not making their move, for not standing up for themselves. You just make your move without any fear. Let her know about your feelings and see her reaction. If she goes with the flow, great for you. If she doesn't, it's okay. Accept the no gracefully and move on to other girls. As I just told you, this world is full of beautiful women. There are literally around 4 billion women on this earth.